How to get verified on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, launch open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on the settings option. Now you want to tap on account center. Here you want to scroll down and you will find the option of Meta Verified. If you don't find the option of Meta Verified, look for the option of Show that your profile is verified. Once you tap on that, as you can see, it shows the benefits of having a verified account. You will have a verified badge, you will have increased account protection and enhanced support. So go ahead and tap on Unlock Benefit option. Now you want to select your Facebook account from here. Now it will check for eligibility. If you are eligible, you want to tap on the subscribe option. Then you can complete with your payment. Now, if you are not able to get Meta Verified, it might be because you are not eligible. There are some eligibility requirements for Meta Verified creator subscription. You have to be at least 18 years old or the age of majority in your country of residence. You will have to be located in a country where Meta Verified is available. You need to have an eligible Instagram or Facebook account. You need to have a valid photo ID and not exceed the number of times that you can make changes to your account within a certain time period prior to applying for verification. You should also agree to the terms of service. So if you meet all of these eligibility, you will be able to get verified on Facebook. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.